Solve the equation 3 to the x is equal to 21 for x belonging to R. So in this video I'm going to show you two ways to solve this equation. One is sort of a general method it's used, and it's quite useful for equations which are more complicated. So we've got 3 to the x is equal to 21. Now when you're solving equations, whatever you do on one side you must do to the other. So what we're going to do is taking logs to the base 10 of both sides. It doesn't have to be base 10, it could be another base. Sometimes ln, base e, is also used. So log to base 3 of the power of x is equal to log 2 of base 10 of 21. So we've done the same thing there to both sides. Now there's a rule of logarithms we can apply to this side, and it says log to base a of x to the r is r log a of x. So what that basically means, that x I can bring it in front of the logarithm. So x log 3 is equal to log 21. So it's x times log 3. So the opposite of multiplying by log 3 is to divide both sides by log 3. So we're going to get that x is equal to log 21 over log 3. Then we can do that on our calculator using the fraction button and this button here. Okay, and if we wanted to do it with ln, it would be this button here, and that would give me an answer of 2.77124, and to three significant figures that gives me 2.7723 significant figures. Now that's one way to approach that problem, and this is sort of the general technique when this is a bit more complicated, to take logs on both sides. Now another thing we could have done, if we write down, is just use this idea. A to the c is equal to b implies that c is log to the base a of b. So c is x, so it's going to be x is equal to log to the base 3 of 21. And then we just put that straight in using our calculator. This time we use this button, which is found on just up here. Log, there's a space, another space, and then we just write log 3, and then in the brackets we put 21, and again that gives me the answer. It gives me the answer of x is equal to 2.7723 significant figures. So obviously this is much easier method than this method, but this method is useful when the power is more complicated, which I might show you in a later example. Okay, so it's been a video to show you how to solve 3 to the x is equal to 21. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.